I zoom in and out on the players.
I'm not sure how good the quality of the zoom is going to be, though.
Well, I had a pretty cool movie, I thought.
It might be fine.
I mean, I zoom in and out as I turn. Not towards me, geniuses.
That's fun. Had one bullet left.
I have none.
I have no bullets in there.
We one just fell.
That doesn't count. There's an extra few in the chamber that don't go. Yeah.
Mom, chase him over here.
Stallone, you move up! You wimp.
His gun probably won't even reach you that far. I wouldn't be too worried.
Not towards us, geniuses. See, you can't shoot him. So you can't hide behind us either.
I'm putting my mask on.
I know.
It's out.
Hey, you're killing him.
Oh, it's not out. Don't worry.
They're leaving after this game.
Why?
Because we got to get going home. What time is that? About 4. Well.